Tired? I actually don't feel tired, bro. I don't know. Maybe it's because I exercise every single day, 24 hours a day. Supposedly this drone's about to be following us.
Look. I'm gonna touch you. Go.
Well, I can't move. Wait here, let me see. Hold that. Let me move real quick. I guess it could.
What do you mean?
Oh shit, it's coming back too. We got eyes in the sky.
Yes, sir.
Bro, that shit's actually fucking sick. That shit actually follows you.
That's what you hear right now?
Yeah. Dude, that's so sick though, if you actually think about it, bro. Oh, no.
This nigga's looking at us like,
Then we got the drone footage. We got, just in case we get robbed out here.
we got the security camera.
We got the safety on deck. Just in case some fool tries to come murder us and shit. Hopefully it fits. Honestly, I'm gonna order another one, but I'm gonna run this one for now. Fuck it.
You don't like the little gap, huh?
Yeah, that little gap is annoying.
Just get like a rubber gasket or some shit. Like something small just to put in between, you know what I mean?
Are these rubber? Oh, they are.
Yeah, look. Oh, you fucking hear me. Oh.
Alright, one of these.
Way better.
Yeah, it looks cool. I might get a different one eventually, but for now, it looks better. Yeah, it looks way better than the
Should we get
fucking.
them right now or later?
Whenever. It looks better, way better than this long ass fucking. There we go. Now this is the part where I'm more excited for. Hear me, son.
I didn't even get to flip it. What is this? Oh, what the fuck?
What is it?
The wiper delete. That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
Damn, actually, the wiper?
Yeah, so it's gonna be, all this is gonna be gone. There's just gonna be a little, that little plug right here.
Why'd you decide to get rid of this?
Just because it looks cleaner, the rear end looks cleaner. I'm gonna see how I like it. I'm gonna keep this though. Stop hitting me up to buy 20th parts.
Fucking kill him already.
Well, let me get that chip. Talkie. Give it to me. Oh, motherfucker.
Let him
Give me anything. I want chips so bad, I'm feeding. Kill all the wipers. I'll leave the link in the bottom. You already know. They actually have the whole kit because then they have the whole sealant, everything. It took a little bit to ship though, but it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna be saying goodbye to the wiper.
Have a good time.
Nice.
You guys want some?
Nah.
Nah, it looks like it.
Actually, yeah, I do. I don't have pasta.
Okay.
¿Me puedes dar?
¿Tienes de esa?
Perdón, por favor. Dame un por favor. Igual de fresa. Sí. Algo más. 5.50.
¿Tiene cambio de 20?
Ajá. Thank you, miso.
Thank you, miso.
Gracias.
Finesse. Jolly Rancher.
Break time. This shit goes crazy. Thank you, Misa.
Return it. Hey.
You buy your ice cream?
Yeah, nigga.
Really?
You're a menace to society.
That shit doesn't hurt your teeth?
Huh? Yeah, I bought it with the side ones.
Let me see, bite it.
Oh, hell no,
so you can piss some people off. Oh shit.
That's what you get for biting your ice cream.
That's even worse than biting it. Oh. Let me see. But I have braces. This fool said. Got everything out. About to put this little thing on there. But first, we gotta seal it. Ah! That's not two-step, but it soon will be. That's like 3, but relax.
No, it wasn't.
Wait, boys, I couldn't show you guys. The battery died, but we finished. We put it on. Everything's ready. Let me show you guys. Oh, you farted, doorknob.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. I swear I smell it. I swear I smell it. Doorknob, bro. And you know you did too.
I didn't.
Check it out though, boys. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. It came out pretty flush too. It's pretty nice. I'll leave it down below, you already know. And let me know what you think of the antenna too.
Hey, nigga.
Nigga, you're about to blow his cord.
She.
Yes. Shots fired. Shots fired.
Get out of here. Let's go
But check it out, boys. Yasa says it looks the same. Bro, you literally say that for every mod. Get out of the way. Oh. Whoa, wait, he's a boxer, guys. Watch out. Check it out, though. I'm trying to get some good angles, but I don't know. I'll probably show you guys later or tomorrow or some shit, but... Watch out, bro. Let me show them. Yeah, I mean, you can't really tell. I mean, there's just no wiper. That's all.
It looks the same, bro.
Nah, it looks better.
Nah.
Stop trolling. And then that too. I have a surprise for everybody. Should I give it to them or no?
What do you mean?
Should I give it to you guys or no?
Nah, dude.
Oh, you guys want me to give it to you guys actually? Aw, dang it.
Oh, I see it right there.
Dick.
That's my favorite surprise.
Here you go, Yossi.
For what, nigga? For the kitchen?
For whatever you want. And here you go, Misa. If you know, you know. I don't know. The one thing I didn't like is that they're not like this.
Yeah, I wonder.
Oh, that one's better.
It's okay.
No.
No,
That was yours, huh?
Yes. I had this one in my room for the longest though. I just haven't put it on my car though. But like,
This doesn't break. I feel like
you can zip tie it though.
no, the string
Yeah.
attached to it. I feel like
It might, cause mine keeps breaking and I keep losing mine.
and
But I'm finally gonna be able to put them. Yeah, you're just gonna drag for sure. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. This is gonna be late in the video, so if you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
So if you're here, you're here. You also got that new.
Where should I put this shit at?
It's actually pretty clean.
On the back of your car. Your car's probably.
Yeah, I like. I thought this was black. I thought this was more black.
Yeah, I
But,
mean,
like, this
wait,
shit-
which one?
Like the top of it, I thought it was black, so it's gonna
This?
match. Yeah.
I thought this was black too, nigga. I thought it was gonna come in with.
Oh really?
Yeah, that's what I was like.
Nah, bruh. It looks good better though, for sure. Time to finally put Steve Jr. back on, boys. I've had him, dude. And if it goes missing, I'm gonna have to get another one and get another one and get another one. That's what's annoying about it. There we go, dude. That shit's on the floor, bro. Steve Jr. is gonna be gone in like a day, bro. Another look at the rear wiper delete though. Dude, that actually looks cool. And then the little small antenna, so. Good for today, boys. Good for today. Bro, that shit's dragging. I feel like that's gonna be gone in like a day. Hey, boys, we'll see how long it lasts. I'll update you guys on Instagram when it's gone. Where Misa put his. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, once if you know, you know. Nah, that's already telling them. But like that shit's gonna be dragging too. That's what's up though. It looks cool though. Oh yeah.
Tomorrow's gone?
It might be because mine just appears out of nowhere. I feel like
you can't really see it. You can't really see it. So like,
But
if you're like walking like by it, I don't think you look. Come over here.
I feel like that clip is better though than the plastic one. The plastic one looks cooler, but I think that one's stronger.
I might zip tie it though. I'm gonna zip tie it too.
Just for safety. Yeah.
Because I don't want niggas taking it.
It looks cool though. It looks cool.
I feel like the cats are gonna take it.
That's probably who takes it, huh?
Yeah.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
Nah, that's on the.
There we go though. That's pretty cool.
Hey, we're leaving.
Where we going?
Yeah, we're leaving.
If you know, you know.
Alright, let's go then. Who's driving?
Me.
Where?
Not this one.
The new Lexus? Or the Altima or what? He's driving your car, huh? Where?
He's driving the Altima, nigga.
Where? Guys, please send some help. Miss is taking me somewhere I do not know where. He does not want to tell me where. Yas is part of it. If I don't make it back, then one of you guys can have my GTI. Psych! Got him.
Straight?
Yeah, straight.
Where are we going actually? Tell me now. I turned the camera off.
Oh, hey, he turned the camera off. Oh, fuck. We gotta tell him.
Bro, we're
Are you
literally...
gonna play something or are we gonna get there before you play something?
We're visiting Tarzan or what?
Yes. How do you know?
Because this is where I used to...
You fucking told that nigga, huh? You're a fucking monkey. Oh, I almost tripped. No, I know it is.
Yeah, no, I see.
That's crazy. Oh shit, nigga. You can't really see like what we see in IRL. But that shit looks fucking crazy. Yeah, cause look, cause it looks smaller, but like over here, like we can see more. I'm gonna go down there real quick. I'll be back.
What you know could just start happening right now? Oh, that's scary,
Just stand
bro.
right here. Just stand right here on this landing pad, bro.
You know what, dude? Now you say.
Oh, we're Mexico. We're Mexico.
Flies up here?
What the fuck?
Yeah, cause you're up here. Got him. I thought that was a fucking mountain lion right there. From the car, it looked like a mountain lion.
Let's kill him.
Mountain lion is nuts.
Oh hell no.
Look at this shit, bro. This shit would have been so sick with the drone.
Oh hell yeah.
I kind of want to do it anyways.
Oh,
You didn't hit him. You didn't hit him.
that's nasty, bro.
Let's go over there, up there. Let's go see. That's even higher. Fuck, we gotta do exercise.
It's like a fucking...
You got attacked?
No one's gonna attack you, bro. I'll defend.
White team, my nigga.
Misa really making us do
This
this.
is a work, though. I'm gonna go down over it.
They're so steep. That's why. Holy shit, boys. This shit is so sick, though.
Go back.
God damn it. And we're not even done. Oh, hell no. All that for this cube, boys. I don't even know what's in there, but fuck.
I'm not going inside.
It's hot. Nah, those stairs just fucked me. Those stairs are fucked. What even is
There's
that?
snow up here sometimes. Look, you're about to read it, right?
It's all locked and shit.
It says it right there.
Oh, like in that little hat.
Wind.
When you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared that it's gonna crash.
God damn. This is a nice view though.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I bet you can go up even higher.
Oh, my finger blocked you. God damn.
I've been wanting to come for a while.
Yeah, I don't even know. Why should I drop the go?
Like, when we drop my phone.
Nah, don't. That'd be bad. Looks cool though. Should I jump?
Yeah. Fuck it, I'll jump with you. Imagine having a parachute and just jump right here. You probably
I can hear that nigga's drone.
I know.
Makes you mad.
Yeah, it does. It does make me mad.
Go get it, nigga.
You should, huh?
3 months.
Misa wants to jump or what?
What happened?
On me real quick.
Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh, that's teamwork. Ew! Bro! Oh no way, bro! That's not cool.
That's not what I meant.
That's cringy, bro. That's cringe to the max.
That is.
Just put it back up. Jingle, nigga.
Last stop of the day.
What you tripping for?
Where's the cricket?
Niggas getting
Let's get
arrested. Nice.
Hell yeah. Oh, we should recreate that picture. We're about to recreate this picture, boys.
How long ago was that?
That was a long ass time
3
ago.
years ago.
I have my hands in my pocket.
2016.
Well, me too. Ew. So you're looking.
I'm on
so
the right.
Misa's
I'm
in
on
the
the right.
middle,
You're on the left.
and then I'm looking this way, and then you're looking that way.
We're just looking towards the middle.
Oh hell
shit!
no,
I almost dropped your camera.
Damn, nigga. Wait, where should I put the picture?
Right there, you see, no? Yeah. That's bad luck, don't drop it.
3 seconds or 10?
10, nigga, you dumb.
Not 3, so we can do multiple.
Nigga, how the fuck are you gonna get up?
You're not gonna get over here within 3 seconds.
Nigga, I'm the fucking Flash. Don't worry about me, kid. Wait, scoot over a little bit, Misa. Go next to me, Yasser. A little bit more, Misa.
What?
Fucking putting out the
Right there, and then right there, Yasser. All right, and then I can go. Ew, we're gonna be cringe. Oh fuck. Are you ready?
Are you ready, nigga? You have to run over here.
You failed. You have to look. You have to look up that way, and I have to look up this way. And where'd you go? The straight that camera, no?
Straight.
Oh hell no.
I remember last second.
Go. Ooh. No, you have to look more like this, like diagonal.
What the fuck am I looking?
Oh, you are?
Yes.
All right, let's do 2 more. This whole cringe. Oh, go. All right, 1 more. Just for good measure, go. We probably got one.
We better? I don't fucking.
I was looking hella to the side.
Let me see.
That nigga Misa was looking straight.
It's because there's a different angle from the actual picture. That's the recreation, boys.
Piece of land or some shit.
Let's go. Let's be out. Oh.
I just want to drop it, please.
Thanks for watching, boys. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to 1,000. Please, it does actually
What you
help
said,
a
bro?
lot.
You already know.
We'll see you guys next video.
If I find this nigga's nipple, I get to kiss him again.
Oh,
Again? Go.
Maybe you know, you know.
if you know, you know.
You look skinny, nigga. Right there.
No.
No, bro. His nipple's literally right here.
Yeah, it is.
I'm nice with it. I'm nice with it.
We get to kiss.
All right.
That's where you end the video.